Ho ho ho! Hello. Are you looking for the perfect holiday project? If so, we'll show you how to build a small advent calendar LED light strip using the brand new Raspberry Pi Pico 2W. We'll walk you through everything you need to make one yourself, from the design to the final demo. The Raspberry Pi Pico 2W just launched, and thanks to the nice people at Raspberry Pi, we got our hands on one a few days before the release. Now, if you're here for a deep dive into specs, this isn't the video for you, but here's what you need to know. It's faster than the original Pico, it has double the memory, it costs $7, and it's perfect for a project like this. Let's get started. We've tackled light projects before, like our Google Calendar progress bar, and the stuff we've learned from them inspired this refined design. Here's the plan. The light bar itself will be sleek and polished with a wood and metal enclosure. It'll feature a light sensor so it turns on automatically at dusk. We're adding a button to turn it off at a sensible bedtime. Finally, we want this to be more than just a Christmas decoration, so it'll also serve as a year-round light with a soothing, breathing effect. Here's what it'll do during Advent. The light strip will have 24 sections, each made up of 6 LEDs. Once a day, the Pico will connect to the internet over Wi-Fi and check how many sleeps are left until Christmas. Then it will light up the corresponding LED sections. Each day's section will shine in random colour patterns, getting more dynamic as the big day approaches. To build this project, here's what you'll need. A Raspberry Pi Pico W2, but a Pico W will also work. A 1 metre NeoPixel strip with 144 LEDs. A light-dependent resistor for sensing brightness, and a momentary switch for the bedtime button. To make your light strip look more polished, you'll also need a prototype board for mounting the electronics, 23 3D printed fins to create compartments for the lights, and a metal and wood housing for the light strip. All the instructions, 3D printed files and code can be found on our GitHub, link in the description. Here's the assembly process. Step 1. Solder the Pico to the prototype board and connect the NeoPixel strip, light sensor and switch. Step 2. 3D print 23 fins to divide the light strip into separate compartments. Step 3. Assemble the housing, attaching the fins and the mounting to the light strip. Now for the final test. Here it is in action. Advent mode. Each day, a new section of the light bar illuminates, counting down days until Christmas. Year-round mode. When it's not Advent, the light bar shifts to a calming, breathing effect, perfect for ambient lighting. And there you have it, a custom Advent calendar light bar powered by the Raspberry Pi Pico 2W. But this project is just the beginning. With its internet connectivity, you could repurpose this setup for notifications, reminders, or even syncing with music. There is still plenty of time to get this ready before Advent, so grab your materials and get building. Merry Christmas and see you on the other side.